Are you craving for takoyaki but do not have a takoyaki pan? This takoyaki hack is what you need. These mouth-watering Japanese octopus-filled treats are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The ultimate street food sensation that's fun to eat. And oh so delicious!
Takoyaki.
To start, mix Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and sugar. Mix well to incorporate the takoyaki sauce. Transfer sauce in a Ziploc or piping bag and set aside. Make the Japanese mayo by mixing together mayonnaise, rice vinegar, and sugar. This will serve as Kewpie. Transfer as well in a Ziploc or piping bag and set aside for later. Next, boil water and cook 80 to 100 grams octopus. Boil for 5 minutes. Remove from pot and let cool down. Then dice into smaller pieces. After cutting, set aside for the meantime. Crack 1 egg in a bowl and beat until light in color. Pour in water, then soy sauce, vegetable oil, and dashi. You can use shrimp cube to replace the dashi. Mix well to combine. Tip in green onion, then the flour. Mix until no traces of flour is left. Lastly, add baking powder to complete the batter and give it a stir to combine. Place batter in a pan and cook in low heat. Continuously stir to avoid batter from burning. And until it forms into a soft dough. The dough should be pasty and not too firm. Transfer dough in a surface covered in cornstarch and coat with cornstarch to avoid sticking when handling. Take approximately 1½ tablespoon of dough and flatten. Place 1 or 2 pieces of diced octopus. Then seal and form dough into a ball. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Heat enough oil in a pot to fry the takoyaki in batches of 4 or 5. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Then drain excess oil. Drizzle with takoyaki sauce and Japanese mayo. Then top with toasted seaweed and bonito flakes. Serve and enjoy while warm. If you liked this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.